Hey guys, I am a pathetic vlogger because it is Friday, and welcome to another vlog that was supposed to start on Monday or at least Tuesday or Wednesday. Anyway, I have on makeup from my BoxyCharm and I really like the way it turned out. But I want to say quickly, without going into detail or sounding like I'm like complaining, I don't want to keep this like negative feel here, but I'll just tell you guys that the reason this vlog is short and the reason that I didn't start it until today is that I've been having some very crippling anxiety to the point where I feel like I can break down at any moment, and I'm just like a ball of nerves and anxiety. So I've not been this way for years. I don't really know what triggered it, but it's just all these thoughts. If you have anxiety, you know what I mean. It's everything that's bothering me is so out of my control and I can't do anything about it. So all I can do is say that if you guys are dealing with something like that, I am here for you, and thank you all for being here for me, because right now making videos and doing this is the only thing that sounds helpful. And like, I haven't been doing it because I didn't want to bring like a horrible vibe to my channel, but at the same time I feel like I need to focus on you guys and on YouTube and on videos and Instagram and everything that's creative and an outlet. And I hope that something that I do will be helpful to you, even if it's just like something you can play in the background or keep your mind off of something, because I know how important that can be. So I'm not going to keep this long. I feel like I'm slowly getting better. But yeah, Tuesday night was just a horrible night for me, and I'm lucky that I'm feeling a little bit better right now, I think. So I'm not going to talk too much about that further. But if you guys have dealt with this, are dealing with this, you're not alone. I'm right here with you. And yeah, hopefully we can help each other. That's what I am here for. And I definitely want, I want to create a place where you guys can talk to. So leave it in the comments if you feel like you need to talk. Just do it. Because I know what having someone there for you can do. So let's be there for each other. Okay, so I've got to go to work. I just filmed a video that should be up hopefully later tonight or tomorrow, so you guys will have already seen it. If not, I'll link it down below, and I will be crazy. She keeps trying to get you. Leave them alone. Okay, I will talk to you guys real soon. I don't know if my little tripod's gonna hold out. It's just kind of sitting on the dash in like a weird shape. So you guys will notice that this vlog is very short, or if I decide not to even put this up, then you might be wondering where a vlog is. I don't know which way it's gonna go. But I'm gonna try to talk a little bit without getting upset. Because I am just having a very hard time. I guess the best way to put it is that I'm having like an existential crisis. And I am having a hard time I don't even know how, honestly, just functioning. I have this like huge amount of anxiety, and it's not over anything stupid. Like, honestly, I'm not anxious about things. I'm not worried about getting to work. I'm not worried about doing a good job. I'm worried about, I'm not worried. I have this just crazy thought in my head, and it's just life in general, and I don't know. That does not make sense. But if you ever have like an extreme, overpowering anxiety that leaves you feeling desperate to do something with your life, but at the same time thinking, what's it all for? I'm with you. And I really may not upload this clip because surely I sound crazy. And I took all this time doing my makeup well, but honestly I sat there feeling sick the whole time. I have no appetite whatsoever. And like having a glass or two of wine dulls it, and I feel much better, and then I'll get a little appetite, and I can't do that all the time because that's not healthy. So it's like 24 hours a day of just pain. And I was telling my mom yesterday that I used to have this feeling when I would try to go to sleep at night, and I would be freaking out, just to the point where I want to scream in disbelief that life is so fleeting. And then I would wake up and it would be okay during the day. The sun's shining. I could find a way to, you know, feel much better. But right now it is 24/7. It is constant, and it feels like there's no relief, and I just want to feel better. Last night editing my BoxyCharm video, I did feel better, kind of organically, just from doing that, because I get to connect with you guys, and it's very special to me because I have a hard time making friends in real life. You know, I'm like that awkward person who's like, and I don't like make plans to like hang out with people, you know. I'm awkward, I guess is the best way to put it. So I'm sorry that this vlog is just totally nothing but this, because I am not finding enjoyment in things, and I'm having a hard time making a happy video. So if my videos are a little bit sporadic, just know that I'm only doing them when I genuinely feel good. I don't want to make a video where I'm just sitting there trying to fake it and I'm barely making it, because that's no fun to watch. The vlogs though are always more real, you know. I tell you guys what's going on for real, in a real sense, and not like, hey, this is just what I bought. I mean, I try to talk to you guys for real. So we did go the other night to, we went to Lush, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to see a movie, and honestly, I was on the verge of breaking down 7 or 8 times while we were doing that, which is something I would normally love, like all this new Lush stuff, and going shopping at my favorite spot and looking for deals and seeing a movie, which at some point did help. A Star is Born is a really great movie. It is a little bit more emotional. It didn't hurt to watch it. It definitely helped because it gets your mind off of things, and kind of clear your head and get out of your own stuff for a little bit. But I don't know. I am considering, because I'm gonna hold you guys for a second while I make this turn. I am considering going and getting some help, because I don't know what to do. I'm just begging in my head constantly to feel better, because it doesn't feel, this is worse. This feels worse than any sadness and depression I felt. I feel kind of crazy. I don't know. If this is self-indulgent and not even interesting to you guys, I'm really, really sorry. The more I talk about it, it does make me feel better in a sense. It makes it feel more real, but at the same time, talking helps. And I don't know. I'm off for the next 2 days. I'm going to go work out. I may spend some time outside in the sun. It's still hot here, so. And I'm gonna try to get creative and hopefully be in the for 2 days. So if I'm not vlogging and you know, next week doesn't start till Wednesday or Thursday again, just know that I'm taking those 2 days to feel better, to try. And then I guess my plan will be after really doing everything that I can in my power personally to feel better. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to reach out for some help. I haven't been to a doctor in a few years for anything. I've been lucky to be pretty healthy and without insurance for a while, honestly. But now I'm covered and it's time to go. I made it to work. My camera overheated while I was driving because the sun was kind of beating down. So I don't know the last thing I said, but if you guys have any recommendations on dealing with anxiety, yeah, just let us know in the comments below, because I know I'm not the only one. And if you are dealing with something similar, you guys don't feel like you have to put it in the comments or anything, but I'm here for you guys. And yeah, we're not alone in this. So that's it for now. I'm gonna go to work, and I think I'm gonna end this vlog now. If I happen to film anything tonight, then I'll just add it on here. Otherwise, I really love you guys and I appreciate you being here. And yeah, that's all. And I will see you in my next video.